So, we're already here, right?
Yeah, just one more corner.
Oh, I didn't expect it to be this close.
You always think places are farther.
Yeah, maybe. When I'm nervous, everything feels far.
We can slow down.
Thanks. My steps feel weird today.
We don't need to hurry.
I keep thinking about the door.
The door.
Yeah, walking in, people looking, someone talking to me.
They're just people.
I know, but my head doesn't listen. So, what if I don't know what to say?
You don't need a lot of words.
But I need some words.
Just one sentence is enough.
One sentence. That sounds simple. But my mind is empty.
That happens before coffee.
Maybe that's true. I can see it now.
The cafe?
Yeah, it's smaller than I imagined.
That's why it feels safe.
Safe. I like that word. There's a window. I can see inside.
What do you see?
A couple, talking. Someone reading. A person at the counter.
It looks calm.
Yeah, but my chest is a little tight.
Let's stop here for a second.
Okay, just 1 second. I'm breathing, but it feels shallow.
Try slower.
Like this?
Yeah.
Better. Still not perfect, but better.
Perfect is not needed.
You always say that.
Because it's true.
So, what are we doing here today?
We're getting a drink and sitting for a bit.
That's all?
That's all.
It sounds easy when you say it.
It is easy. One step at a time.
Steps again. Okay, let's go.
I'm right here.
Oh, it smells like coffee.
And warm bread.
Yeah, that smell makes me feel slower.
Good slower.
Yeah, good slower. There are more people than I thought.
Still not many.
Enough.
We can stand here.
The menu is up there.
You don't have to read everything.
I try, but the words feel crowded.
Hi there.
Hi.
It's okay.
My mind just stopped.
Just say one thing.
One thing.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have a coffee, please?
Sure. Hot or iced?
Hot. No, I mean,
Hot is fine.
hot, please.
Got it.
Oh, that's it?
That's it.
I thought there would be more.
Sometimes there isn't.
My heart is still fast, but I did it.
You did.
I didn't run away.
That's important.
Okay, now what?
Now we wait.
Waiting again.
Yes, but this time you're inside.
That feels different. So, we just stand here?
Yeah, just for a moment.
I don't know where to look. If I look around, I feel strange. If I don't, I also feel strange.
You can look at the counter or the floor.
The floor sounds safe. My hands feel empty. I don't know what to do with them.
You can hold them together.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay, that helps a little. I thought after speaking, I would feel relaxed.
And?
I feel half relaxed, half alert.
That's normal.
Normal is good. I hear cups. They touch each other. Softly.
That sound is nice.
Yeah, It makes the place feel alive.
Tom,
That's me. Oh, the cup is bigger than I expect.
Careful, it's hot.
Yeah, I forgot. I hold it with both hands. It's really warm.
That's why people like hot coffee.
I think I understand now. For a second, everything feels quiet.
That happens sometimes.
I like this second. I'll take a small sip. Ah, it's hot. Too hot. Much hotter than I think.
Don't rush.
Yeah, I always rush.
Just wait a little.
Okay, waiting again. I blow on it. Like this?
Yeah, slowly.
Okay, another sip. Better. You know, I expect coffee to wake me up.
And
It makes me slow down instead.
that's a nice surprise.
Yeah, I didn't expect that. Where should we sit?
By the window.
The window?
You can see outside. It helps you breathe.
Okay, let's try. This chair, it makes a small sound.
That's fine.
I hope I'm not too loud.
You're not.
I sit down slowly.
No rush.
I feel like I passed something,
You did.
but I don't know what.
You stayed.
Yeah, I stayed. Outside, people are walking fast.
And you're not.
That feels different. I thought today would be hard, like heavy.
And now?
It's still a little hard, but not heavy.
That's good.
I think if I came alone, I might leave already.
But you didn't come alone.
Yeah, that helps more than I say.
I take another sip.
It's warm now, not scary.
See?
Yeah, things change if you wait. Maybe next time I won't freeze so much.
Maybe you will. But you'll know what to do.
Wait, breathe, sip slowly.
Exactly.
I'm glad we sat by the window.
Me too.
Let's stay here just a little longer.
We have time.
So, I think this part is over now.
Which part?
The hard part. Standing there, talking, trying not to forget words.
Maybe it is. Maybe it isn't.
I don't really mind anymore. The cup feels good in my hands. Warm, steady, not shaking like before.
You're holding it differently.
Yeah, before, my fingers were tight. Now, they're relaxed. They're just holding. I didn't expect that. I thought coffee would make my heart faster or make my head noisy.
And now?
Now my head feels clearer, not empty, just quieter.
That's nice.
People are talking around us. I can hear voices, but I don't feel pulled into them.
You're just listening.
Yeah, just listening. No pressure. I thought sitting would feel strange, like everyone could see me sitting.
And does it?
No, it feels normal, like I belong here a little. I take another sip. It tastes better now. Not too hot, not bitter.
You waited.
Yeah, I waited. I hear my name again.
Again?
Yeah, but softer this time, like someone is checking.
Tom,
Oh, that's me. I already have my coffee, so I'm confused.
It's okay to check.
Okay. I stand up, slowly. I don't rush this time.
I'm right here.
Yes?
Is this yours?
I look at the cup. It looks like mine, but maybe it's not. For a second, my mind wants to stop again. But I look closer. No, mine is on the table.
Oh, okay. No problem.
Sorry.
That's all right.
I sit back down.
How does your body feel now?
Honestly, I thought my heart would jump again, but it didn't.
What did it do?
It moved a little and then stayed calm. That feels new.
New can be good.
Yeah, quiet good. I notice something. When people talk to me now, I don't freeze right away.
You pause instead.
Yeah, I pause, and then I can move again. I didn't expect today to feel like this.
What did you expect?
I expected to feel tired, or embarrassed, or ready to leave.
And now?
Now I feel settled, like I can stay a little longer. I thought today was just about coffee.
And now?
Now it feels like it's about staying in the moment, even when it feels strange.
That's a good thing to learn.
Yeah, but it didn't feel like learning.
It rarely does.
I take one more sip. It's warm, comforting.
You look calmer.
I feel calmer. Let's sit here a bit more.
We can.
I'm not in a hurry anymore.
Good.
I'm glad I didn't leave.
Me too.
So, we're still here.
Yeah, we are.
I thought after a while I would feel bored.
And?
I don't. I just feel present.
That's nice.
I'm watching people walk outside. Some are fast. Some are slow.
Which one are you today?
Definitely slow.
I like slow you.
Me too, actually. I didn't expect to talk this much today.
You're not talking a lot. You're just staying.
That feels true. I think I can say one more thing.
What thing?
I don't know yet. I just feel ready to open my mouth.
You can try.
Okay,
Excuse me.
I'm here. Not to you.
Oh,
Excuse me.
Yes?
I just wanted to ask, is it okay if we sit here a bit longer?
Of course. Take your time.
Thank you.
No problem.
Oh,
how do you feel?
I didn't plan that. The words just came out.
And they were enough.
Yeah, they were. My voice didn't shake.
I noticed.
It felt normal.
That's a good feeling.
I always thought speaking needs courage.
And now?
Now it feels like just responding.
That's closer to the truth.
I don't feel proud or excited.
What do you feel?
Calm. Just calm.
Calm is strong.
I take another sip. The cup is almost empty.
Time moves quietly here.
Yeah, I didn't notice. I think this place feels safe now.
Because you stayed.
Yeah, because I stayed. When we leave later, I think I'll remember this.
Not the coffee?
Not really. More the moment. When I spoke without thinking too much.
That's a good moment.
I'm glad you came with me.
I'm glad too.
Let's finish our drinks slowly.
No rush.
I'm not afraid of the door anymore.
Good.
It's just a door. So, I think we're done.
Yeah, we can go.
I look at the cup. It's empty now.
You finished it
Slowly.
the best way.
I stand up. My legs feel normal.
Not shaky?
No, just normal. I put the cup here.
You don't forget this time.
Yeah, I remember. Okay, the door again.
The same door.
Yeah, but it feels different. I open it. Oh, the air outside feels cooler.
It always does.
I like it. We're back on the street.
Yeah. And you.
Yeah, and me. You know, I thought today was about coffee.
You said that before.
I know, but now it feels clearer.
What does it feel like now?
Like I didn't need big words or perfect words.
You never do.
I guess not. I didn't feel brave. I didn't feel strong.
What did you feel?
Present. Just here.
That's enough.
When the barista talked to me, I didn't disappear inside my head.
You stayed.
Yeah, I stayed. I think next time I won't be so scared of small talks.
Maybe. Or maybe you will. A little.
Yeah, a little is okay. We walk slowly.
No reason to rush.
I like walking like this. Thanks for today.
You did most of it.
Maybe, but it helped that you were there.
I'm glad.
I don't feel tired.
That's nice.
I feel quiet.
Quiet can stay with you.
I think I'll remember this day.
Not as a big day.
No, just a small one.
Those are the best.
Okay, let's keep walking.
Yeah. Let's go.
It's strange.
What is?
I didn't know what to say today, but somehow I said enough.
You did.